In this session, we're going to look at how to write your own functions. So let's get started. As we've already discussed, there are numerous inbuilt functions that you can load and use in the Python programming library. We've looked at two of those functions, the print and the input function. Now, obviously, as a programmer, you'll be using a lot of these pre-written inbuilt functions as a matter of course, but you should also learn or know how to write your own functions. Now, there are rules to writing your own functions in Python, and we'll be going through them in this session. The first rule to creating your own function is to start with the keyword def. This keyword is a way of telling Python that you are defining or creating your own function or a function. The next step is to write the name of the function. Here we've got the name being hello. So def must be followed by the function name, which must be followed by an open and close parenthesis and a colon. When you have finished this first line or statement of code, the subsequent lines of the function will be indented. So here you'll notice an indentation. Now this is important. The indentation tells Python that all these subsequent lines are part of the function. The moment you write a statement outside the indentation, that line of code or statement of code sits outside the function and cannot be seen by the function. In this example, we've written a function called hello, and this function uses the print function to output to the literal string hello to the screen. Once you have created your function, you need to call the function before it will run or execute. Now, what do we mean by call the function? Calling the function is just all that means is you're calling the name of the function. So in this case, we have the block of code, the function here, and here we've written out the name of the function followed by a parenthesis. So here we are calling the function by its name. This then executes the function called hello in memory, and as we know, this function will then output to the screen the literal string output hello.